Hey boys and girls, if you're stuck on number 1, I'm going to walk you through it. So we want to know which equation represents the graph of this function, and then you have 4 answer choices. So you're just going to type them into your y equals to see which one gives you the picture that looks like this. I'm going to identify 2 points on the graph to kind of look at and compare. This y-intercept is an easy one, so that's the point 0, 3. I'm going to try to find another easy point. Let's see. Let's maybe do this one right here, -1, 1. Right, these are my x and my y values. Okay, so if you have a graphing calculator, you can use that. Otherwise, you can go to desmos.com and you could type in your functions. So the first choice was y equals 5 parentheses 3 to the x power. So you can either use the caret, it's shift 6, or you can use this button right here. If the keyboard isn't showing, you can get the keyboard from down here. So you would do this button and then the X. Okay, that's going to show me the picture. Let's go back to the question. They look kind of similar because they're both exponential growth. Let's check the points. So I'm looking for the point 0, 3 and -1, 1. Let's see, does this have the point 0, 3? This is 2, this is 4. Looks like the point 0, 5. If you want to see the table, you can go here to edit list, and then you can hit this convert to table, and you'll see it's not the 0.03, it's the 0.05. Okay, and it also tells you when x is -1, y is not 1, it looks like it's 1.6 repeating. That's this point right here. So the first answer choice is not correct. Okay, let's take a look at the second answer choice, 3 parentheses 3 to the x. Okay, so I'm going to x this out. I'm going to hit y equals 3 parentheses 3 to the x power. Okay, that also looks like growth. Let's actually check the points. Looks like that's my 0, 3. That's what I was looking for. And that other point, let's see, there's no point there. So let's click this button. Let's find our table. And yes, it looks like -1, 1 is on the table. So it should be answer choice B. Okay, if I look at my other two, let's see, 3 parentheses 0.5 to the x. Let's just check the other ones. So y equals 3 parentheses 0.5, 0.5, and that's to the x power. Let's see, that one looks like exponential decay. It's not facing the right direction, so that one's definitely out. And then 5 parentheses 0.5. So now let's change this one to a 5, and it's also going the other way, so that one's out.